Today I'm going to make double chocolate brownies, which used to be my son's favorite cakes when he was little. When you listen to chocolate, you may have a negative image of it, like it makes you pimples, or it makes you bad teeth, or make you fat. Chocolate has actually very many good health benefits. Please listen to this story first. Cocoa polyphenol content in chocolate have a function to keep blood smooth and are said to be effective in reducing the risk of arteriosclerosis. Recent research has also reported on the effects of preventing cancer and increasing stress resistance. Chocolate contains lignin dietary fiber, which stimulates the intestinal processes to improve the intestinal environment. The theobromine ingredient in chocolate is said to have a relaxing effect. Glucose is the most efficient nutrition for the brain and also helps the brain generate neurotransmitter acetylcholine. It also stimulates serotonin secretion to calm down and stabilize the mood. Chocolate is also rich in vitamins and minerals. There are many benefits that cannot be stated yet. Now you know more about chocolate, and you may enjoy eating chocolate more. Let's start making double chocolate brownies. Let me introduce ingredients first. You need 100 grams of unsalted butter and a quarter cup of white sugar and 70 grams of plain flour and 150 grams of any kind of chocolate you like. Today I mixed black chocolate, dark chocolate and milk chocolate together, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt and 3 eggs and 220 grams of chocolate chips. First, you need to prepare baking tin. Today I'm going to use 18 cm square tin and preheat oven 180 degrees. Put butter and chocolate in a double boiling pan and let them melt. Okay, once chocolate and butter was melted perfectly, turn on fire and take off from fire and let it cool for about 10 minutes. Then shift flour and baking powder and pinch of salt. Flowers you also mix with chocolate to mix well. Once chocolate and the butter mixture was cooled down, let's start beating eggs. Three eggs and the sugar. Okay, let's beat. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stop. And add the chocolate mixture. Add the flowers. bake in 180 degrees oven for 35 minutes. In order to check if it is completely baked, use bamboo stick. If the stick came out dry, it's completely baked. Yes, it's done. Cut in the size as you like. Let's eat a brownie and enjoy the benefits of chocolate. Hi, this is my favorite way to eat chocolate brownies. I heated up chocolate brownies around 20 seconds in a microwave oven and put ice cream and whipped cream on top and put chocolate sauce. This looks very yummy and tastes yummy too. Let me try. I'm wordless. It's really nice. Really. I'm happy. It's quite easy to make this chocolate brownie and tastes very yummy. Thank you very much for watching. Please do try this rich double chocolate brownies. じゃあまたね. See you soon.